Planning a Trusscore project? The Trusscore Cost and Materials Estimator makes it simple to figure out exactly what you need and what it will cost. Let's walk you through it. First, choose your project type. Full room is ideal for a standard rectangular space, like a garage or a basement, where all four walls share the same setup. Ceiling only is for ceiling panels only, and individual walls gives you full control to configure each wall separately. We'll start with the full room option, the most common choice. On the wall step, pick a design preset to configure everything at once. Ultimate Modern, for example, sets gray horizontal panels with 50% slat wall coverage and a white ceiling, done in one click. Or switch to Custom Configuration to manually choose your wall color, panel orientation, and slat wall details, including the exact starting height and number of rows. Next, decide if you want ceiling panels. Toggle it on, choose white or gray, and you're done. The estimator will calculate ceiling materials along with everything else. Choose from common room size presets, or switch to custom dimensions and type in your exact measurements. A live diagram updates as you go, showing your calculated wall and ceiling areas. And notice the helpful tip about measuring length across your ceiling joists. That's an easy one to get wrong. Select your space type. For a garage, shed, or workshop, you can include garage door openings. The estimator deducts that area from your wall materials automatically. Choose a standard door size, set how many doors, pick which wall they're on, and you're ready to calculate. The summary page shows a material estimate, a budgetary price range available in US or Canadian dollars. Below that, browse space visualizations to see what your finished room could look like. When you're ready for the full material breakdown, click Get My Detailed Materials Breakdown, fill in your contact details, and submit. You'll immediately receive a complete bill of materials with product numbers, quantities, and a product placement guide. Everything you need to place your order. Here are your results. At the top, a complete project summary with all your configuration details. The cost summary shows your estimated total, and you can toggle between US and Canadian dollars. Below that, the full bill of materials, organized by product type with product numbers, quantities, and linear feet. Hit print, and those checkboxes turn the page into a shopping checklist you can tick off as you go. The product placement guide breaks down materials surface by surface, ceiling, then each wall, so you know exactly which panels and trims go where during installation. When you're ready to move forward, save it as a PDF, print your estimate, or find a retailer nearby. You can also add project notes that save with your estimate. Now let's look at the other two modes. If your project is ceiling only, this mode keeps things simple. Each zone is a rectangular area. Pick from presets or enter custom dimensions. The real power is multi-zone support. Click Add Another Zone to handle L-shaped or complex ceiling layouts. Each zone gets its own dimensions and color, and the estimator totals everything up automatically. Finally, Individual Walls mode gives you full flexibility. Each wall gets its own length, height, color, orientation, and slat wall options. And you can even add garage door openings to specific walls. Use the Copy button to duplicate a wall's configuration, then adjust whatever's different. Add as many walls as your space requires. Visit trusscore.com/estimator and get your personalized material estimate in minutes. It's fast, it's free, and it's built to help you plan with confidence.